Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make beef haleem at home. First, you'll want to soak your mixed lentils and wheat overnight. This crucial step ensures the grains become incredibly tender, contributing to that signature creamy texture. Aim for about 1 cup of mixed grains for a generous family-sized portion. Proper soaking makes a significant difference in the final dish, so don't skip it. Next, let's prepare the beef. Choose about 2 pounds of boneless beef, such as chuck or shank, for the best results. Brown the beef thoroughly with a blend of aromatic spices to build a deep, rich flavor base. Then, cook it slowly until it's incredibly tender, almost falling apart. This tenderness is key for shredding the beef easily and incorporating it smoothly into the haleem. Now it's time to bring everything together. Combine your perfectly cooked, shredded beef with the pre-soaked grains in a large, heavy-bottomed pot. Add enough water or broth to achieve a consistent, thick mixture. The magic happens during the long simmer, which can take several hours. This slow cooking process allows the flavors to meld and the haleem to become wonderfully smooth and creamy. Finally, it's time to garnish and serve your delicious beef haleem. Top it generously with crispy fried onions, finely julienned fresh ginger, and a sprinkle of vibrant green chilies for a little kick. A squeeze of fresh lemon juice right before serving truly brightens all the rich flavors. For easy meal prep, check the description for a link to some fantastic leak-proof containers and other great deals. Enjoy your homemade haleem.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.